Welcome back! Today's video might seem simple to some, but it's a game changer for anyone pushing high-end hardware and execute steps like a pro. And it's mostly for gamers audience out there. Right-click NVIDIA control panel. Manage 3D settings. We scroll down to shader cache size. We click and choose disabled. Then apply. Now, there is two ways to boot in safe mode. Choose whatever you like. Method number 1 is through msconfig. Choose Boot tab. Check the box for safe boot. Then make sure to choose Network, then Apply. I didn't apply because I like the second method. Second method is Windows key. Win and go to power icon. Press and hold Shift and hit restart. It will take you automatically to troubleshoot menu after the restart. We choose Troubleshoot. Advanced options. Startup settings. We click 5 on the keyboard. Enable safe mode with networking. I couldn't record in safe mode, so I took screens. To show the path, open File Explorer and paste as shown on screen. These files are full of digital ghosts, compiled instructions from driver versions you don't even use anymore. We're deleting them permanently. No recycle bin, no recovery. We want a zero-doubt foundation. Close and open File Explorer again and paste as shown on screen. I already made my cleaning process last week, so there's nothing much here, but you might have loads of files nesting here. After finishing up all the steps, restart normally. Back to NVIDIA control panel. Manage 3D settings, shader cache size. I'll explain why next. Most users set this to unlimited and think they're optimized. In reality, they're just letting Windows hoard a massive fragmented database of old data that slows down your response times. So, setting shader cache size to driver default or 100 gigabytes for extreme libraries, that is the go-to. People who went with method 1 don't forget to revert the msconfig settings back. Uncheck the box, then apply. That's all, folks.
Feel anything?
No.
Thanks for watching.